Well, I'm gonna be camping this weekend and I'm not gonna take my GX470. I'm taking the bike. As you can see, everything is set up. Let's get going, and before that, I'm gonna roll the intro for you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. If you're new here, I'm Jafari, and this is my 2023 Honda Rebel 500. As you can see, I have everything ready to go for my first ever motorcycle camping. It's my first time sleeping in a tent because before this I used to take my GX470. I have a whole bed platform. I have a rooftop tent which Fadad is using this time, and it's gonna be a challenge yet a really nice adventure. So without further ado, let's get on the bike. I'm hopefully gonna put the GoPro and motovlog for you guys, and we're gonna go. It's gonna be 10 of us and it's gonna be fun. Until we get there, he's gonna wait. I'm gonna ride, or are you gonna ride?
Halfway with
I
shorts? Drive there, you come back.
He's gonna be babying my camera, so thank you in advance. Appreciate you. And let's get going. Well, we've made it to the campsite. It's a group camping. I have Kiarash, Fardad, my brother Reza is here, also Debo and Sefer are with us too. That's where we're gonna be. They're setting up their tent. I gotta go unpack real quick and set up my tent as well because it's getting super dark, so we gotta get everything ready to go. Super hungry, super thirsty, but ride up was pretty damn awesome. I had such a good time. Really was thinking to like take the bike next to a campsite. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow just for a photo op and take a photo with it, but I guess it's not possible yet. Again, maybe tomorrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and unpack, put everything where they are, and get ready for a camping setup. I can't even talk because my ears are kind of out. I did have my earplugs coming an hour toward how you call it, Scotland Drive. Then what happened was took him off to come up the mountain. Again, this bike is super amazing. I'm in absolute love with it. This setup looks absolutely amazing as well, and can't wait to take it to more adventures.
A few moments later.
Good morning, people. Well, this is my tent. I slept in this one last night. First time sleeping in a tent like this. And it wasn't too bad. It was hard to fall asleep because our neighbors were talking so much. It was crazy. But after I fell asleep, I actually slept pretty good. Compared to having a mattress in the car and a rooftop tent, sleeping in a tent like this was actually pretty good. I slept pretty good. Now I think we are still waiting for Seper, Kiarash, because they went for a sunrise hike. I wanted to do it too, but slept pretty late because of the neighbors. So I was like, not gonna do it this time. What I'm gonna do is just hang around, enjoy the campsite. Later we're gonna go buy some firewood so we can have some campfire, and I need to charge this phone and also need coffee because yeah, it's the morning and coffee in the morning is a must have. Also, Fadad is sleeping in my rooftop tent. He brought his GTI out. This is the second time he's doing this. It looks pretty good, not gonna lie. For a hot hatch, having this setup is pretty amazing. Then I have my bike, my one and only beautiful bike. This bike has been serving me well for the past month and a half, not gonna lie. I'm in absolute love with it. The saddlebags came out pretty nice. They look pretty good. They're waterproof. And yeah, maybe later we're gonna go for a little ride through the mountains because we definitely need some stuff. But also it's a mountain road, so why not go for a ride, right? Let me see if I can make that coffee possible. Well, the coffee is in the making. The water is boiling. We got eggs. Fada's got bacon. All the bacon's been cooking. So is the bagels. And yeah, gonna go make the coffee and eat them all. Bacon, egg, and bagel. Huh? Coco wants to have a bacon? No bacon for Coco? Oh, Coco. Hi. Guys, just look at this beautiful thing.
Negative energy and positive.
Woo! Bacon, egg, and cheese bagel. A must have for all the campings. Look at the bacon. It's been such a great time, guys. I've been just chilling and enjoying this campsite, having my friends with me. But now it's time for some delicious Diva's kitchen made jujube kebab. It's basically chicken kebab, Persian chicken kebab. They look amazing. Also, my brother has his vegetarian sausage because he's vegetarian. But it's been amazing. I've been having a good time. That's why I haven't like vlogged too much. Took the bike close to my tent so I can take some photos. But that has been it. Also, Dara, Badge, and Delaram joined us too, which is pretty amazing. Good to have them with us as well. So we're gonna make the food, eat the food, chill a little more until tonight. Also, I've been having the hardest time with this campfire. It just doesn't wanna stay alive, which I mean it is now, but it took me hundreds of tries to get it working. So after all day of just hanging around, doing basically absolutely nothing, we decided to come to see the beautiful sunset here in Shenandoah Valley. Came to this overlook here to see the sunset with all the good people that I have with me. Also, Kirash's car looks so menacing and glistening, basically. Such a beautiful car. 4Runners has always been something I always wanted. So I don't know. Debating between selling and not selling the GX. Maybe if you want to just take it. Maybe it's like if you want to just take it. Maybe a 4Runner in the near future. Maybe not. Maybe yeah. Also, this road has been removed. They removed the asphalt, and it's gravel right in the middle. So when I was riding yesterday, it was a little sketchy. Not gonna lie. I try to stay relatively not to the middle because all the gravel is in the middle. And I think I did a good job. I mean, I'm still here. I didn't die, which is pretty good. Sun is finally setting. Look at that red dot in the sky. It's amazing. It's always good to come here in Scotland Drive. See the sunset by Shenandoah Valley. It's amazing. Also, we got the moon up there, which is pretty nice. Very nice. Got some fire going, sitting by the campfire, having some deep conversation. It's been pretty nice. I'm happy. Oh, thank you. Got some. What do you call this in English? Sparkly thingies. I don't know if you guys can even see it or not. But it's been pretty nice. Fishes in Farsi. What's in English?
Firework. No. Handheld sparklers.
Sparklers.
Sparkling water. No.
A sparkling fire. Clean.
Sparkling fire.
Yeah, I think we're gonna go sleep soon though. Might go for a hike tomorrow, might not.
Sparklers.
Sparklers. Sparklers. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is sparklers. Yeah. Back to the tent, and I am super sleepy, so I might be talking gibberish, maybe not. I haven't shown you guys the setup yet, but it's basically the tent, the sleeping bag, the mattress, which is the air mattress. It's alright, and this little pillow. And that's pretty much it. I can literally take this with me on the bike everywhere I want to go, and that's basically all I need. And I'm a jet boy, so I can have coffee and hot water if I want to take some food. But anyway, it's sad that tomorrow is the last day and this whole camping trip is coming to an end. But we might or might not, depending on how I'm sleeping tonight, go for a hike for the sunrise. I skipped it today because I decided to sleep. Maybe I say, let's go in the morning. Maybe not. Again, depending on how I'm feeling tomorrow. Again, gibberish is coming. how I'm feeling tomorrow, I might actually go for a hike. We're gonna wake up at 4 if I want to do that. It's in 5 hours. But till then, if you guys see me waking up when it's still dark, it means I am going for a hike. If you guys see me waking up when it's bright out, it means no extra stuff through. So, see you then. I mean, that's gonna be the next cutscene. So, yeah. Yeah, it's bright out, and that means what? No hike for us in the morning. I mean, I'm not sure if separate went or not, because I'm still in the tent, as you can see. I'm about to go out, say good morning to everyone, because I feel like everyone else is awake. So, it was such a good night's sleep. I can't believe how good I sleep on this mattress. This is actually pretty damn amazing. So, yep, gonna get ready. And I mean, I am already ready. Gonna go get some breakfast, and then I gotta break everything down to head out. Whew, that's gonna be the hard part of this trip, putting everything back. Time has come to break everything down and make sure everything fits in the bags that it came from. So I gotta put the tent down. I mean, I've done it before, but not sure how that's gonna go, to put everything that is there into that bag right there. I got my pillow as well as the sleeping bag set up. The tarp on the top is there. This is how the tent looks, and the mattress. Now next thing is to fold that mattress up to go in this little pouch. How's that possible? We're about to find out together, I believe. Let's do it. I got everything back into their boxes and pouches. Now it's gonna go to the saddlebag right there. Let's see if we are successful doing this. It was easier than I thought, but harder than it sounds, if that makes sense. I'm not sure. Also, I lost my charging cable, so that'll be fun. That'll be definitely fun. Everything on the bike, it's all ready to go. Everyone else is ready to go as well. Gonna get on the bike, put the helmet on, get on the bike, and leave. Campsite back to how it was. Leave no trace ethics. And yeah, I am ready for this ride. I kind of miss riding the bike, so let's go. Made it back home. It was not super comfortable, but not necessarily uncomfortable riding back for an hour, just like last time we did it, because I have changed my stock seat, which I'm gonna make a video out of it soon. I've been basically reviewing this for the past month to see if it's even good, because price tag on it is too much. But this is not about the Mustang seat. I think I gave it away. That video coming soon. But we made it back. Also have Farrell with me here. How was your time?
Amazing. This last time, as I said it. Really good campsite. Group campsite for the first time.
Yeah, we did that group campsite,
which was really fun. The roof tent obviously never lets me down.
It never does.
Never does.
Yeah, and then I haven't been in this for like almost a year.
And you haven't been.
Yep.
Supposed
to have this.
Time. And really good people. We had like a big, large group. Good food, good people. A lot of noisy neighbors, but
very noisy.
But the hike was good, which you didn't come on.
I didn't go.
Overall, really fun.
Yeah.
Especially the twisties.
The twisties with this bike, really fun. Gonna say bye to Father in a second, so I have to finish this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, also subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any questions about the camping setup, anything that you saw in this video, let me know in the comment section down below as well. And I think with that all being said, with the bell too, yeah, why not? Because I'm gonna make videos about the Mustang seat that I just told you guys about. So I think with that all being said, as always stay amazing. See you guys in the next one. Peace! Take me home, country road, to the place I belong, West Virginia. Okay, I'm just gonna end it here.